Hey everybody, Sakanya here. Today we are going to be doing a quick crash course on what are Taylor series. Now, Taylor series are series that are used to approximate y values. Now, I have a graph over here, and this is crucial in order to understand why we have Taylor series. And in the red, you guys can see that the red function is the exact function. So we have f of x, maybe that function is something like x cubed plus x minus 17. It's just a function in terms of x, right? Pretty self-explanatory. And that is this function right over here. So we have our actual function, and this green function right over here is our approximated function with the help of Taylor series. Now, what is this c and what is this x? Well, this c is the center of the Taylor series, and that is one crucial point we need to know whenever we're constructing a Taylor series. So the center, as we could see over here, is just where the exact function f of x crosses the approximated function, which is over here. Another relationship to note is that the farther you go away from that center, the less accurate your approximation will be. In other words, let's say your series was centered around x is equal to 1, and you're trying to approximate the y value at x is equal to 3, okay? Well, as you guys can see, the actual y value when x is equal to 3 is over here, this dot in blue. Now, the approximated y value when x is equal to 3 is right over here on that green curve. As you guys can see, that is a pretty big difference between the approximated y value and the actual y value. So a point to note is that the farther you go away from the center, the more discrepancy there will be between your approximated value and your y value. Unlike if we had something like 1.1 over here, we can see there's not much of a difference between that green approximated line and that red exact line. But now, what is the actual form of a Taylor series? Well, that is, and this right here is the general form of a Taylor series, aka an approximation to find y values of the exact function, which is f of x. So from here, we can see that we have c, which is our center, and we also have the first, second, third, and also the nth derivative. So we just keep taking derivatives, and that is a crash course on Taylor series.